Hi and welcome to another product from fobfix.com. Today we're demonstrating our DIY Renault keycard programming unit. This particular unit supports 2003 to 2006 Scenic and Megane models, also known as the pre-facelift models. Although new blank cards have been available for some time for these vehicles, they usually require you to take your vehicle to an auto locksmith or have a local one come to you. This unit from FobFix removes that hassle and allows you to program your own cards at your own convenience. To make it easy to demonstrate, we've wired up on the test bench the ECU, the card slot and the onboard diagnostic socket from a 2003 Megane. You can also see that we have two cards. One is the original card that was already programmed to the ECU and one is a brand new blank spare. You can hear that the original operates the door locks, but the brand new blank does nothing because it's not programmed yet. Before we start, there's a couple of disclaimers. The programming unit will not program used cards that have been programmed to another vehicle. They must be either brand new or have already been programmed and working with your vehicle at some point. The programming unit will only program standard remote cards. It will not program hands-free cards. During a programming session, all cards are wiped from the vehicle's memory when at least one new card is programmed. It is therefore important to have all the cards you wish to add, including existing working ones, present at the time of programming. Right, let's have a look at this setup. The programmer is a small box that plugs into the vehicle's onboard diagnostic socket. It contains a speaker and an LED to give an audible and visual indication of the programming steps. To locate your vehicle's socket, for the Scenic, between the front seats are the cup holders and a recessed tray. Remove the rubber textured mat that covers this tray to reveal the onboard diagnostic socket. For the Megane, below the card slot is a plastic panel. Firmly pull the recess at the top of this panel to remove it and uncover the socket. Now we'll describe the programming sequence, which goes as follows. The first important step is to make sure there's no cards in the card slot before plugging the programming unit in. There's a small chance that cards could be damaged if left in the slot when the unit is initializing. We insert the unit. The LED will light and 3 ascending tones will sound to indicate the unit is powered and communicating with the vehicle. After about 10 to 15 seconds, a series of tones will be heard, and this is our cue to insert any one of our cards that we wish to program. As we mentioned earlier, we have to insert our already programmed cards as well, if not they will be deleted from the unit's memory. After 5 low tones have sounded, a high tone will sound to signify that the inserted card is now programmed and can be removed. This sequence will repeat 4 times with a gap of 5 seconds between each sequence. You can insert a card at any time during the low tones and it will be programmed at the high tone. In this demo we're only going to be programming 2 cards, so we can leave the second card in for the last 2 sequences. After all 4 programming sequences have been performed, the unit will sound 3 descending tones to indicate the sequence is complete. So we'll just show you that now. We'll take the unit. That's the 3 it tones to indicate that it's entering programming mode. Now we insert our original card. That's programmed. Now we insert our new card. And that's programmed too. You can remove it or leave it in, it makes no difference. That's the 3rd programming sequence. And those are the 3 descending tones to indicate that the entire programming sequence has finished. So we can test it now that the original card still locks and unlocks the vehicle, and the new card also does the same. They will obviously start the vehicle if it wasn't a test setup. Thanks for watching.